Namaste. Myself Sharu Anjirpa from the Yoga Institute. So we live in a world which glorifies busyness. Our schedules are packed, our phones are always buzzing, our emails are overloaded, and our mind can't stop racing. In this busyness, the ability to pause can be a great tool. It is a skill often underrated, but it's something which is very desirable in this humdrum of life. The ability to pause can become a very, very powerful means to bring about clarity, balance, and success. Pausing is not a waste of time. In fact, that is the time we really connect with ourselves. One of the very adorable cartoon characters, Winnie the Pooh, gives us a very important message in a very light-hearted way. You see, unlike his very busy friends, Pooh always has the knack of enjoying the simple moments of life. He always takes out time to simply sit, to think, and actually do nothing. And it is in these moments of doing nothing that he stumbles upon great wisdom and creative solution. In the same way, the Renaissance artist Leonardo da Vinci was famous for spending hours gazing at the sky or the wall until great insights emerged. So, pausing is important for all of us. We have to learn to be able to pause in between all our different tasks that we do. When we pause, we reset ourselves. When we pause, that's the time when we are able to notice beauty, hear intuition, and reconnect with ourselves. Imagine if you would be listening to a melody which had no pauses. A melody isn't a melody without the right pauses in the right places. So, how can we practice pausing? By incorporating a very few simple things in our life. To begin with, you could take 3 deep breaths before answering a difficult question or sending that important email. Make it a practice. Or you could actually set aside 10 minutes dedicatedly in a day to do nothing. Just sit. No phones, no books, no plans, simply sit. Or you could also get into the practice of taking a 1-minute break between switching tasks. In that 1-minute break or pause, when you switch tasks, breathe, stretch, and reset yourself. So in this way, the art of pausing helps you to reset yourselves, reconnect to yourself. So next time, whenever you feel overwhelmed with a lot of things going around you, practice pausing. Step outside, breathe a little, stretch a little, and just sit in silence. You will find that often doing nothing leads to the best of something. So let's practice that. Pause. Namaste.